Hi everyone, I'm Amanda Massi and welcome to my YouTube channel, Massi Styles. So this month, I want to show you guys some love and talk about different outfits to wear in each decade of your amazing life. This week, we're going to be talking about what to wear in your 20s, and then to coincide with that, I'll be talking about skincare, how to take care of your skin in your 20s. So as we always do with each video, let's start out with my outfit of the day. This outfit, you know, it's not really blowing my mind, but I wanted to wear it to show you an example of how to dress up a pair of jeans. So I'm wearing these YSL platforms. They're really great, they're comfortable. You'll see me wearing platforms a lot on these videos. And what I really like about these shoes is the black rose that's on the top of the shoe. It just adds that little bit of interest that a regular platform doesn't have. And then to mirror that rose, I really love these earrings. So I did one rose earring on one ear, and then the other earrings are just very simple studs. I do like to mix and match my earrings. I don't like to just have a set. I like to mix them up. It's something new that I've been doing and I'm really into it. And then this top I've had for a really long time. So long that the tag has completely fallen out. But I did get it at a local store here in LA called Des Kohan. So I definitely recommend checking them out. They have really classic statement pieces. It's like classic and statement together. You don't find that very often, but this is a perfect example. It's literally a black tank top, but it's hand woven and it's completely fringed out. So really great movement, an easy way to just bump up your outfit. Well, that wraps up my outfit of the day, so let's just get right into it. This rack is for you 20-year-old guys out there. We have casual, semi-casual, and even more semi-casual. I'm gonna show you how to put together different prints. This one we're gonna start with is a flamed printed t-shirt that I layered underneath a plaid jacket. And of course you can wear this with jeans, with sweatpants, but I wanted to do a pair of shorts because we're jumping into summer and it's really freaking hot outside. So I put these two together, this whole outfit, and what I really love is how unconventional it is to put a print with another print. But the best way to combine prints is making sure the color hues are similar. So that's why I put together the flamed t-shirt underneath this plaid jacket. Now to finish out this look, you can do a black pair of tennis shoes, but if you really wanted to amp it up, then I would wear a pair of boots like Doc Martens. It's just something that you wouldn't normally put together with shorts, but because you're being so adventurous by combining this print, the boots will be a nice complement to that. So our next casual outfit, nothing groundbreaking, but at the same time, it will give you something different to wear than your matching sweatsuits. When you're running errands, when you're just running around town, you gotta like look cute, but at the same time, like you have to be really mobile. I feel like this is a great outfit. What I really love about these track pants is that they have dress pant details. They have a waistband, they have belt loops, they have a button, they have a fly zipper, they even have these cute little drawstrings on them, and they have two welt pockets in the back. So this is a very elevated track pant, and it also is a very heavy, sturdy weight to them, so they'll definitely be hitting all the marks in terms of comfort and warmth, but in terms of style, just amping up style so that you're not just wearing sweatpants. And that's really very similar to this shirt. It's a t-shirt. Yeah, okay. It has ombre, yeah, okay. But the way that they put the colors together, I think are really unique and very different. And I don't want to do matchy-patchy, so that's why I did black, gray, and have this beige color that's in this t-shirt put together. In terms of shoes, I would like to do like a crisp white sneaker. That's it. And that wraps up this outfit. And then for semi-casual, being really adventurous with this combination of prints, we have a houndstooth V-neck sweater underneath this super cute cloud cardigan. I'm just in love with this cardigan. I think it's so cute. It's so welcoming and friendly. It's also a conversation starter. Just a little dating tip for you guys out there, and women too. I think it's important when you're single to wear clothes that can be a conversation piece, so that the person that thinks that you're cute can like have an excuse to walk up to you and compliment you, and then you can kind of start the conversation. So I really love this cloud cardigan for that reason. I feel like a woman would walk up to you and be like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. And then you guys can just start talking, and you never know what can happen from there. So that's why I love this outfit, just for how much personality and happiness is built into this combination. And then for the pants, I want to keep it simple with a black denim, because there is so much going on with combining these prints. And with the shoe, let's just do a black tennis shoe. Let's just call it a day, keep it simple. That would wrap up this outfit. And last, we're gonna do another semi-casual outfit. But when I say semi-casual, it doesn't mean it's only for daytime. It definitely can transition into evening. Definitely feel confident to wear either of these outfits to dinner, for drinks, something at night. Now for this outfit, I just love these dark wash denim. They're just, every single guy should have these in their closet, a dark wash denim that's very solid and that doesn't have a lot of stretch to them. And then for the top, I wanted to combine stripes and leopard. If you've been watching, you know that I love leopard print. So of course I'm gonna be drawn to this cardigan. So I'm a little biased on that, but this is like Kurt Cobain 90s type of vibe with the stripes underneath, and then we add the jeans to it. So again, we're being playful with prints, but it just works. So this is some inspiration to give you that little umph that you need to put together things you normally would not put together. And that wraps up this rack, some style inspiration for your 20s. I hope you enjoyed the different mix and matches of prints and got some inspiration from it. Now let's switch gears and talk about how to take care of your skin in your 20s. So during your 20s, I think one of the most common pain points is hormonal acne. It's something that a lot of people have to deal with. There's a lot of different reasons why you might have a acne flare-up. It could be due to your diet or alcohol, not getting enough sleep. It could be how you're sleeping. If it is hormonal acne, it's going to show around your jawline. That's your signal that that's the type of acne that you're experiencing. So ways to help reduce hormonal acne is really thinking about what you're eating and also what you're drinking. Look, I get it. In your 20s, you're partying, you're drinking, going to clubs, you're not sleeping, you're not really taking care of yourself that much. You're just thinking you're invincible and you'll be fine and you'll be, everything will be chill. But you're gonna see the results of that come out through your skin. So try your best to moderate your alcohol intake. If you can, about an hour and a half before you leave the bar, just try to start drinking water so that you're diluting the alcohol intake, so that the last 2 hours before you fall asleep is just water. That would also really help with your hangover as well. In terms of food, just be really paying attention that you're not eating a lot of fried food that has a lot of dairy in it. You really want to focus on food that has a lot of antioxidants in it to help reflect the free radicals that your skin absorbs and helps to boost your immune system. I've said this multiple times in previous videos, and I really stand by it, is zinc. Studies have shown that if you suffer from acne, you have a zinc deficiency. So introducing zinc into your vitamin routine is really important to help reduce your hormonal acne. I wanna just be very clear that zinc can make you nauseous, like nothing that's extreme by any means, but you will feel a little bit queasy. So what I like to do is first start off on a really low dose. I mean 2 milligrams every other day, and take it right before you fall asleep so that you basically just sleep through the nausea, and over time you can build up. I wouldn't exceed more than about 8 to 10 milligrams every other day of zinc Zinc is a mineral. It will be absorbed by your body, but at the same time, you just don't want to overdo it because of the nausea aspect of that vitamin. So take that at night. You also want to make sure that you have a very regimented morning and evening skincare routine. And also too, after you work out, wash your face right away. Don't wait an hour and then wash your face. I also would suggest including a toner to use after your workout to help strip your skin of the sweat and dirt and bacteria that got trapped in your pores during your workout. And using the word stripped is probably not the best word. I think helps to remove that excess dirt and oil that was built up in your pores during your workout. Another thing that's important to keep in mind is how you're sleeping. If you're sleeping on your side or sleeping on your stomach, you're really pushing your skin into the pillow for 8, 10, 5, whatever amount of hours that you sleep at night, and that's trapping the dirt in your skin. So if you can sleep on a silk pillowcase, it has less bacteria found on it than cotton pillowcases, and it also helps to keep your hair and your skin healthy and smooth. I really love silk pillowcases. I did a whole segment on it, so definitely check out that episode. So to recap, some easy ways to mitigate hormonal acne is 1, having a good morning and evening skincare routine and washing your face right after you work out and incorporating a toner into that after workout cleansing of your skin. You also want to introduce zinc. You want to take it at night. This is really great for helping with your skin. Also too, you want to pay attention to how you're sleeping. So if you are going to sleep on your side, sleep on a silk pillowcase. And last but not least, it's what you eat and drink. So be aware of what you're intaking because it will come out in your skin. So I hope you learned a little bit about how to take care of your skin in your 20s and got some outfit inspiration with the outfits that I shared with you. As always, thank you so much for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you next time.